Imagine waking up one morning and the moon is gone. No glowing light in the night sky, no full moon stories, just stars and darkness. It sounds like a story from a book, but let's imagine, what if this really happened? What would change on Earth if the moon disappeared? The moon isn't just pretty. It pulls on Earth with its gravity. This pull makes ocean waves called tides. Without the moon, tides would be much smaller. They wouldn't go in and out as strongly. The sun would still make small tides, but only about 1/3 as strong. You might think, hey, smaller tides sound great, but tides help move water all around the planet. They mix cold water and warm water. They carry food and heat for sea animals. Without strong tides, the ocean gets quiet. Too quiet. Many sea creatures might not survive. Some fish wouldn't find food. Some places could get hotter or colder. The weather might get strange. Now, let's talk about Earth's tilt. Our planet leans a little, just 23.5 degrees. That's what gives us seasons like winter and summer. But the moon helps keep Earth steady. Without the moon, Earth would wobble, like a spinning top. Sometimes we might lean a lot. Other times, not much at all. That means weather and seasons could change a lot. Hot places might turn cold. Cold places might get very hot. This change could take thousands of years, but it would make life very hard. Farms would fail. Animals would get confused. Many living things might disappear. Nights would be much darker without the moon. Stars would shine brighter, but many animals would be lost. Turtles use moonlight to find the sea. Some birds fly at night using the moon to guide them. Even coral in the ocean grows using the moon's light. And what about us? People have used the moon to count time for thousands of years. We'd lose many old calendars. Stories, poems, and songs about the moon would feel empty. Some people also believe the moon affects our sleep. With darker nights, some might sleep better, but others might feel something is missing. The moon is close, our space neighbor. Humans have walked on it. We've dreamed of building homes there one day. Without the moon, we lose that dream. No testing ground for rockets, no nearby place to learn more about space. It would be harder for people to explore the stars. Can the moon really disappear? Not really. The moon is big, about 1/4 the size of Earth. It won't just vanish. Yes, it's moving away from us very slowly, about 1.5 inches each year. But it will take billions of years to drift too far to help us. So, the moon is here to stay, at least for a very long time. The moon is more than just a silver light in the sky. It helps the oceans. It keeps Earth steady. It guides animals and inspires people. Without it, life would be very different and much harder. So the next time you look up at the moon, remember how important it really is. It's not just hanging in the sky. It's helping us every single day. Don't forget to like the video. Share it with someone who loves the moon as much as you do. And subscribe for more mind-blowing what-if stories just like this one. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a moment of wonder. And follow us for more epic adventures where imagination meets science. Thanks for watching, and keep looking up.